Hello, 你好. This is David Cho from Wisdom Industry Company Limited. I'm now taking photos for buyers' advertisement on the Citycoco EC model. The EC scooter here, the Citycoco here is the latest status on EC on the 2019. So the big difference we have upgraded the battery case here. No. On the version in 2018, there's only one battery case here. Of course, the battery is detachable for charging. And on the latest version, we have upgraded the vehicle frame and make extra space, the cabin for another battery. So with the double battery, the running distance is more than 160 kilometers per charge. So another upgrade is we have a small storage here, and here now is the packing status. We have some plastic bubble paper and some film, covering on it on protection. Okay, the backrest is also take off in package, and also the kick rest is take off for in the accessory box. And the color here is dumb red. We call dumb red in black vehicle frame. So now I'm starting taking photos for customers. Oh, by the way, customer has choose the remote control. It's unlocked. When I lock it, I should pull off the key and lock it. It's locked and unlock again. Unlock, lock, and here is alarm. Alarm. Okay, here you are looking for it. Okay, so lock it, unlock it. Okay, so now I'm taking photos. It's a nice day here, cloudy. Best day for taking photos.